Hey YouTube, this is Print Practical. Today is Saturday, September 3rd, aka the World Championships for Disc Golf. So I thought let's start off today with a disc golf related project. So if you play disc golf and you're as terrible as I am, then you know that you compensate for your game by buying a wide variety of different discs and trying to learn how each one flies. So I usually carry about 19 discs in my bag, and I have 20 or so discs that don't go in my bag, and I'm always constantly buying more. So right now they sit on my garage floor. I think it's time to find a nice spot on the wall for these. This picture came in my garage when I bought the house, so I think it's time to get rid of this. And I bought a 5-foot piece of 3/4 inch PVC. So I'm thinking that I will make some type of mount that'll go on the left and right side and have 2 bars of PVC that I can sit the discs on. And I will build one of them at a higher height, and then later on, if my collection of discs grows, I can put more in. This rack turned out awesome. I decided to just mount it above the picture. I thought that it would look okay that way. And it looks like I have some more room. So now I have a good excuse to tell my wife when I want to go buy more discs. But that's it for this one. I'm gonna put the link to the side pieces of the shelf on Thingiverse, just in case any disc golfers want to print this out and make their own rack, but that's it for this one.